Ava has left the chat. And I was like,
now, bitch! You come to me with that same conversation, I will make you go to therapy!
What happened with the Savage Squad?
No, dos.
What's up, guys? We're not drunk yet.
no, but we will be.
If you guys... It's like a real
So sorry.
king sound effect. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're joined here with Alisha!
Do you feel honored when people are like, you were my childhood?
No.
Oh.
I'm like, oh, but I want to be now.
You're like, wait, come back.
Can I also be your adult? Guys, your childhood has come together. I've been watching your Truth or Drink since the beginning.
They're fun.
I feel like I've been missing out.
I am not kidding. When I first realized, oh, this is actually a thing that we're doing on my channel, it's becoming a series, I need Ava to do this. Our channels grew at the same time together. I think I met you when you had like, what, 5,000 subscribers?
Oh yeah, remember when I used to go to your apartment in like Orange County?
Yeah.
And I would get Starbucks before.
And we had the study cam that we thought we knew how to use. It was like, psh.
If you guys aren't familiar, we have known each other since like literally we had like no subscribers.
Yeah.
I've been binge watching all of your Truth or Drinks. Literally, I feel like I'm listening to a podcast.
Oh my God, love that.
Because you know when you're like, you want to chime in because you feel like you're there? Today, I'm finally getting to chime in.
You are here, she's at the table. I am so excited.
We have a lot to discuss. Grab your popcorn and your Ciroc, not sponsored, but if you want to, I'm available.
The next one's like, sponsored by
I've actually never had Ciroc.
I haven't either. Maybe I'll try it. Lily sent it in her PR package.
Red berry. Are you taking shots?
I'm taking I will be drunk.
That's 1942.
Yeah, do you want it?
I'll take a shot. I'll take a
There's
shot.
no
I'll take a
hangover.
shot.
Here we go.
You took that whole thing? Jesus Christ, Alisha! How much has changed since we've last been BFFs?
I told you I was a late bloomer.
What happened with the Savage Squad?
What a question to start. I should have prepared an answer. I should have talked to my PR people.
She's like, I should have read the questions.
Okay, listen, a lot happened there. When you think of a loose thread and you pull it
On a sweater.
on a sweater that doesn't have much threads,
No.
it's gonna unravel quickly. Tila and I tried our very, very best to keep shit together and to be the best friends we possibly could. Even with the whole squad, like with Sierra and Meredith, really tried to fucking like keep shit together.
Yeah.
And the shot is hitting me right now.
You guys were actually close. Like it wasn't for show.
It was a really good friend group. We
Yeah.
had so much fun together and there really like was never drama. It wasn't like we had Tila and Sierra fighting or Sierra and Meredith, me and whatever. Like it wasn't a friend group that had drama. Shit just started to unravel. And why I kind of separated myself from the group, that's a whole story that I feel like we should get into when I get really drunk.
Yeah. What's like the main thing you learned from that situation?
I think I made the right decision walking away from it. I knew what real friendship felt like. If you had a moment that you were really proud of and you told your friend group, you would expect them to be happy for you and vice versa. And what I was getting in all these other friend groups, I learned what true friendship was like. I would go back to my friend group there, no shade, no tea. It's a learning experience for everyone. How to be a friend. You know?
Oh my God, yeah. I feel like it's so cliche, but people really do just grow apart.
No, literally, it was growing apart and it was like me walking away from that. People are like, couldn't you fix it? Like drama. There was no drama. You can't fix something that isn't broken. Because it wasn't like, oh, Alisha, like I made you mad.
Like
let's
nothing
fix
happened.
it. How are we gonna talk it out when the truth is I just grew apart? You know, we're talking in circles.
Yeah. Not me
Friends
like.
and like then drama came after.
Yeah.
Like it wasn't even like there was drama that broke the friendship. Like literally there was no drama.
Yeah.
I just walked away. This is the tea. People don't like to hear that you don't want to be friends with them simply because you don't want to be friends with them.
Yeah.
They need a reason. And because I didn't have a reason, that's when people started shit. Because they couldn't understand, like you just grow apart. And I just feel like I grew so much from that and I was so lonely for so long because I had like no friends. And then I met amazing people and it all worked out. And now Teal and I like hang out still. I saw her literally last week.
Oh my God, I love it.
And like at Sierra, we've like texted so much through everything with the boob job and everything.
Oh
like,
my God.
We're all good, Meredith. Like we're all good now.
Oh my God, tease. Me like with the viewers right now, like,
Whoa!
tell me more.
Yeah.
So what do you think's more difficult, a friendship breakup or a relationship breakup?
From my experience, I would say friendship. But it has been a while since I've had a relationship breakup and that shit was hard.
Do you want to know like why we stopped hanging out?
Yeah.
This is the same time that I stopped talking to the staff. It all happened at once.
Yeah, I remember.
You guys were planning the Big Bear trip.
Insert the question about Big Bear and then that can be this.
Ava, it is pretty popular in Alicia's Truth or Drinks to talk about the Big Bear trip, the Vlogmas trip. It's just like people love to hear about the tea.
Oh my
And you've
God.
never been on one.
You guys started that when we were still friends, right?
Yeah.
I don't know why I had never been on one. I think it was warranted that I wasn't invited. Because I remember the first time you went,
I actually, yeah.
at the time, I had broken up with my boyfriend, fired my assistant, that needed to end because that was just, yeah. So here I am cutting off these dead strings. And where do you go when you have no assistant, no boyfriend? Your friends.
Your friends.
You go to your friends. Alicia invited like all of us over to your house and we were like brainstorming and thinking of YouTube video ideas. After everyone leaves, Alicia and I are fucking putting in work.
Yeah, we were.
Burning the midnight oil.
Real tea, we tried. We really.
Valley Girl.
We were like, okay guys, so clearly we need a squad because everyone else has these squads. It was almost like a, oh my god, sorority when you get like,
initiated.
It literally was like this initiation where
Who
we were
was
like,
there?
Everyone was there. Everyone who was anyone was there.
me, Ava, Mia, Lauren, Sierra, Tila, just like that group.
15 people were freaking.
We were like, we're gonna be the next Team 10. We just need to like milk this
We
shit.
could have, but here's what happened.
We were gonna be the Valley Girls.
We were gonna be the freaking Valley Girls. I realized in this group, we were only coming together to shoot vlogs.
Yeah, it was so fake.
When someone would text in the group, like, I just bought a new car or whatever, like, no one would respond. It was like dead. Then someone would be like, oh, come to my house to like vlog tonight or whatever, and everyone would be like, I'm bringing chips, I'm bringing Doritos. We did a couple vlog nights that I was a part of. We went to Lauren's house, we went to everyone's house. I remember we went to Lauren's house and we were sitting around the kitchen, and I remember you and Remy were talking about your dogs, and I had a moment where I was just like, why the fuck are we talking about dogs? Like, I was like, we've known each other for 6 years.
Yeah.
I was like, we're best friends. Can't we talk about something more? I sat on Lauren fucking's couch and I read the Overheard of LA book.
Oh my god.
My stupid ass starts going around to everyone at the party with the book, reading things out of the book. I had nothing to say at Lauren's house.
Yeah.
I had an audition the next morning for a Netflix show.
Oh my god.
And I asked you, what should I wear for this character? Because I don't know. And Tila Dunn goes, oh, that character? I had my audition today.
I remember that.
And in my head, I go, this is my best friend.
Yeah.
I'm talking to Alicia, confiding in your advice on just simply what should I wear for this audition.
Yeah.
And the first thing that comes out of my best friend's mouth is, oh, that girl, I auditioned for her today. In that moment, my mind starts spiraling and I'm like, what the f? That is not something you say to
You're like, I don't even want to be here.
I was like,
Reading a book.
I have nothing to say here. I'm reading a fucking book to people. I'm trying to talk to Alicia. My best friend made me feel like shit. And I don't even know my lines for tomorrow. What the fuck? So I said, hey everyone, I gotta go rehearse my lines. And I left. And I took myself out of the group chat. No one texted me and added me back in. Not even you, Alicia. From then on out, never talk to anyone again.
Did you think Alicia was gonna text you?
I did.
Oh,
I did.
I'm so sorry. I just remember going to my phone being like, oh my god, there's like 100 messages. No one ever texts me. What's going on? Oh, it's the group chat, you know? So then I'm like reading it and I'm like, da 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 da. All I see is Ava has left the chat. And I was like,
That's kind of savage, Ava.
I thought someone would add me back in.
that's funny. I was like, she's done. She's done.
Why didn't you text her?
Yeah, why didn't you text me? You just like, it.
Ava's very like, I just know what I want and I'm doing that. I didn't want to be like, oh my god, no, come back. I was like, if she's like, okay, I'm done. I was just like, oh.
Do you regret not texting her?
I didn't know you wanted me to text you.
Me and the Valley Girls wasn't meant to happen.
The Valley Girls just wasn't meant to happen in any way, shape, or form.
Next subject. What is your favorite sex position?
Wait, oh my god, you threw that back.
No chaser?
No chaser right now.
Wow, straight no chaser.
Straight no
Who are
chaser.
you?
I told you.
I remember when Alicia was like, no. We would be on tour. I remember we had a really bad show.
Which one?
I don't know.
All of them. Oh, I thought you were gonna whisper
We
something.
had a show and it was the first time I took tequila shots and I got so drunk. You didn't get drunk with us that night, huh?
I took a shot.
That was like when I really first started drinking and I did something bad that night. It was the night when I...
You have to say that was fucking hilarious. That's the worst story of my life.
I didn't drink, okay?
We were both like bloomers.
Yeah, we were both late bloomers.
Morning
Okay, I
crying.
didn't drink in high school. I didn't do that. So here I am on tour across America. I remember telling you guys, like the girls, I was like, we may never get a chance to go on tour ever again.
Yeah.
We have to live the rock star life.
Yeah.
We have to get drunk, meet guys, like we have to like be on tour. So I got as drunk as possible, which was 3 shots.
Were you in your unicorn onesie?
I think at that point I changed into my fucking flower crown. And I remember going back to the tour bus drunk. I stumbled into my bed. I had to throw up so bad. I threw up in a fan's gift bag. I threw up all of my Ugg boots. And I woke up in the morning and I was so ashamed of myself.
I had no idea.
I went to the little bathroom. The tour bus bathrooms are like
Smaller than an airplane bathroom.
way smaller. I took the fan's gift bag with throw up in it and I rinsed everything out of the bag. I did rinse everything off and I still read the letter.
What was your favorite sex position?
Oh, how did we get
No idea. I have no
my
idea.
favorite sex position? Missionary.
Oh.
Both of you have been pioneers for the lifestyle YouTuber community. What are your thoughts on other creators copying you?
Honestly, my opinions have changed.
You literally have mascara all over.
Oh
under
no.
your eyes.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Under there.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Is this the Nikita one?
No, it's Patrick. One size by it.
I use the Nikita one, not sponsored. Sorry. I don't know what I'm doing. I've never done makeup for someone else.
I feel like back then I was way more competitive. I would definitely feel that, where now I would be more flattered if someone copied.
Yeah. Do you remember when we had the conversation about fonts? When you, me, and I forgot who the was there. We all got together and said like, you have this font, and you have the white letterbox. We got into a point where it was really competitive. Everyone's videos looked the same. And Alisha had the bright idea, and I'm not being condescending. It was really a bright idea. She got us all together and she's like, all right, we all look the same.
Hey, bitch.
She's like, I'm gonna take white letterbox. Ava, you're gonna take trash can. Meg, you're gonna take Baby's New.
Do you remember that time you came for me for copying your thumbnail?
What thumbnail was it?
It was a DIY room. Clearly I remember. DIY room decor with chevron pillows.
Oh, I remember that. I remember mine. But I don't remember coming for you, but I believe that I did. Because in my whole life of YouTube, I have not come for a single person.
But me? I feel honored.
I feel like I didn't come at you.
Yeah.
Because I've been came at for some bullshit.
Same.
Some bullshit.
By who?
Is it this? Oh no.
Yeah.
I know you're gonna ask
Wait,
this
yeah.
question. I'm taking a
Who
shot.
gets mad at you the most for
Wait, I'll
copying?
take a shot of that.
I got lots of texts from someone being like, you're copying me, and I was like, bitch, I am not subscribed to you.
I gotta take this shot before even. Listen, I'm not Elon Musk.
No.
Everything I've done on my YouTube channel has been fucking original. I don't copy people, and I never fucking have. I did a video called Running Late for School. I had just bought transfer paper because I had also done DIY videos of me making clothes. I had downloaded multiple like PNGs for that video. I was like, oh frick, like I don't have any clothes to wear for this video. I got all this transfer paper lying around. I'll just make a cute iron-on shirt.
Yeah.
And I went and I had an alarm clock downloaded already on my computer. I downloaded an alarm clock for the Running Late for School video.
This is fucking funny.
I wear the shirt in the video. I get a fucking text from, she goes, I know you've always wanted to be me. I'm like, what the do you mean? She goes, I showed you my Pinterest board for my inspo to my clothing line, and there was an alarm clock on the Pinterest board, and you made a t-shirt inspired by my Pinterest board. I go into my laptop, click date, go to February, which was 8 months before this whole thing, find the alarm clock downloaded 8 months before, and I go, bitch, I literally just made a shirt of an alarm clock because I was making a running late for school video.
I remember that same person telling me, Ava said she's gonna make Tumblr a series. I feel like that's not fair, so we all should do that.
We gotta talk about the second one. I'm gonna try to tell the story as quick as possible.
Yeah.
I'm in college. I'm in finals. I get approached by a brand. It was a big brand. It was a big brand.
Oh my god.
You know who it is?
No, I forget. Oh shit.
To do a video that was $25,000. And I'm like,
She said that paid for my tuition.
like that's gonna pay for my whole student loan. I had my boyfriend at the time, Andrew. He's in school, going through finals as well. And I go, Andrew, this money means a lot to me. Help me film this YouTube video, I'll pay you $3,000. He's like, yeah, like, hell yeah, I'll do that. I'm trying to think of an idea to do with Andrew, and I think of boys versus girls night routine. No one had done this YouTube video. Because it was such a big brand, they had a lot of like legalities. They sent all these revisions, and they were so ridiculous to the point where there was an apple in the refrigerator with a barcode. And they go, you have to take the apple out because it had a barcode. I'm like, it's a barcode, it's a fruit. It was so many notes to where it was ridiculous that I took out the brand deal portion. I uploaded the video because I'd worked so hard on it. They wanted me to refilm it. And it was finals week. So I upload the video.
Did he still get the 3,000?
No, I still paid him. I did pay him.
Whoa!
But here's the thing. Video gets 30 million views.
Did it really?
It did.
I should have had a boyfriend back then.
Yeah! No. It doesn't get 30. It gets 16 million.
That's still a ton.
16 million views. I get a text from this YouTuber. You know who you are if you're watching this. So she calls me. The audacity. She goes, I was planning on doing a boys versus girls series. You uploading your boys versus girls night routine throws off my series. I was
I'm planning.
So don't do it any further. I'm just on the phone with her being respectful, being like, okay, all right. good for you, like cool. I let this girl tell me
Let me guess, you didn't upload any
and
more.
I didn't upload any
I
more.
wouldn't either, because I'm a fucking pussy ass bitch.
But now, bitch, you come to me with that same conversation, I will make you go to therapy.
I'm already in
I will
therapy.
send you into prison.
What famous people have you hooked up with?
Sadly, none.
Drinks.
Finish it.
Oh, I need some ice for this.
Oh, can we get some ice?
Do you know?
Yeah.
Dude, I dated him for 6 months. I was a fan, and I still am. I love his music.
Did he like sing while you were?
He did sing. He did sing.
Shut up! While you were hooking up?
Serenaded you?
Yeah, he did. Yeah, he did. In Malibu.
Would he sing his own songs?
No. He sang some song that I still don't really know.
Who's a friend of yours that should be canceled but isn't?
I can't take 4 shots in this video. Also, I'm not thinking of anyone specific.
There's YouTubers that have allegations and no one believes them. All I'm gonna say is maybe they're true.
Have either of you read another YouTuber's book?
So quick. I mean, I've like skimmed some.
I can speak for Alisha and I. We get sent a lot of YouTuber books.
Do either of you watch porn?
That was a total 180.
Yes.
No, but I have before.
Dude, I bought an Oculus.
What's that?
The virtual reality.
Oh,
and like
wait.
Brent,
What?
Brent had an Oculus and I tried it and I was like, this is amazing, I love this. So I bought it and then I remembered, it dawned on me like, oh my god, VR porn.
That's a thing!
Yes! I went on Pornhub.com, not sponsored, but Pornhub, if you want to sponsor me, my DMs are open. And I search VR porn. I click on the first video and I start watching.
She said, look at this. She said, look at this. And then she's looking up.
I'm watching a video and there's this girl being like, and I look down and
What the fuck?
I look down and I have a and I'm like,
I always wondered what it'd be like to have a dick.
you can find out with Oculus. Not sponsored, but Oculus if you want to sponsor me. Long story short, I do watch porn. I honestly watch VR gay porn because then you can see a dick in front of you versus like on your own body.
Honestly, that's smart.
This guy's like his dick and I'm like, yes, but then I look down and I have a dick myself.
Who do you think is more irrelevant now between you two?
Oh,
That's a hard question.
That is hard. Irrelevance is what would you say? Subjective.
Brent and I have this like inside joke. My editor will cut this out if it needs to happen. There was a YouTuber that called herself or himself a legacy channel. Brent will call me a legacy channel when my views are down. We are not legacy channels.
No. You know why? Because I don't know.
Alicia and I will be forever. Think of where we started and where we are. We're still here. We're still doing well.
They're watching.
Y'all are
Isn't
still
it
watching
crazy
this.
people are watching this? Like right there. Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so drunk right now. Guys, go to Alicia's channel because we did a whole fucking video on
We're
her
about
channel.
to.
If you thought this video was messy, watch Alicia's video. Bye.
Bye.
I do like.
Oh, bye. I don't know. Bye.
La primera vez que te veía, supe que era la mujer para mí. Nunca tuve ni una duda, no. Y ahora vos tenés mi corazón. Dale, nena, contame lo que te gusta de mí. Dale, nena, mostrame lo que te hace feliz.